In this video, I will show you how to change your birthday on TikTok. First, launch open the TikTok app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner, then go to Settings and Privacy. Once you get here, scroll all the way down and find the option of Help Center. Go ahead and tap on it. Now find the option of Chat with Us. Tap on that. Over here, you want to explain your problem. You want to explain that you want to correct the birthday associated with your account. After this, TikTok may ask you to complete an age verification process before making the change. Simply follow the instructions provided by TikTok and submit the requested information or verification documents if required. Once TikTok reviews your request, they can update the birthday on your account if the request is approved. And that's how you can change your birthday on TikTok. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.